What's up, everybody? Chrysler here, and I'm back in the Chrysler doing another cold start. Today it's like 30 degrees out. I don't know, it's cold. And like I got my black duster on, and it's still pretty damn cold. Give a couple pumps of the gas. I got power. Might as well prime the carburetor. Now my hands smell like gas. The carburetor's primed up. So yeah, I reckon this is a cold start 64 New Yorker. And being it's carbureted, yeah, you might want to prime the carburetor every now and then. Especially if they've been running a few months, or weeks for that matter. But yeah, I'm gonna let it warm up. And I'll see you all in the next video. And also, one thing I noticed that when it's cold is that when I was planning on doing the John Deere earlier, it's like way back there in the other house. It's like the whole thing was frozen, like everything was frozen. The pad was frozen to the seat, the steering wheel was frozen straight, the hood was frozen shut. Don't know if the engine was locked up, but that's probably going to be a future video soon. And by future, I mean later on the day. So, see you on the next one.